What's going on, y'all? Just another wet and rainy, cold winter day here in West Virginia. But I've got a cool video I'm gonna be doing. I'm finally excited to have purchased some rain guards from a company called HIC. Um, I'm in a Facebook group, and somebody had shared that they had some rain guards that fit this. The GC sedans and the wagons. So today I'm going to be cleaning up the um, panels in the car to where I will mount this and see how it works. I've always been curious to see if there was any for this car because these are frameless windows, as you can see. So I'm going to be wiping this car down, putting some alcohol in it, and using a heat gun to put these rain guards on. But they came pretty nicely wrapped, aside from, FedEx or whoever delivered it. It looked like they drop kicked the box, but, typical delivery stuff. They do come with the 3M adhesive on the back, so again, all I'll have to do is remove the red tape and use a heat gun to help apply it since it is a little bit colder out today. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down these windows and maybe do a mock-up and see how it looks, just to get an idea, because I don't want to apply it without testing it first. So I'll be right back. So as you can see, I have my starting point down here, which is going to be where the two different body panels meet, and I've got it mocked up kind of like a rough draft to see where it's going to end. And I was messing with it on the inside of the car just to see how much room I'll have, make sure it's not going to catch the window or nothing. I'm thinking it's going to be about 1/4 of an inch, maybe less than that, away from the window sill, all the way around here. And this side's a little bit different because I do have this where the antenna would be. And so, again, this side, I've got everything mocked up, kind of where the end point should be on this. I'm going to measure out, make sure both sides are about the same, but as you can see, got the window down a little bit, and it's not catching or nothing. You can just barely make out that the rain guards are there. And same with the passenger side. So I think this will work. So I'll go ahead and get this all done up and see how it turns out. All right, after a few moments of using the heat gun and getting this all tacked on there, it is complete on the passenger side. I'm super excited. I got it pretty close to where I wanted to. The main thing is just being able to get that extra little bit of window being able to be open, especially going through the cold and snow, rain, whatever. These cars seem to fog up the windows extremely bad, especially with the defroster on. I don't know if it's just these older generation Subarus or what, but I've tried everything, and sometimes the best thing to do is open or crack the rear windows or these front windows and let some air circulate in through and get the fog out of the windows. And this will do just that. I'm able to open and close with no issues on the front and rear. So super excited, because like I said, all I need is just that little crack in the windows without getting any water or snow in. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the driver's side done, but that's this is a little before and after. I'm pretty excited. It looks good, OEM like, so I'll finish up. And just like that, the driver's side is done. It's pretty much the same as the other side. I got it right up to the panel, like I said, and it follows the door seal just nicely all the way to the edge. Same as the other side. Let's see if you can get a comparison here. It does look a little wonky still, but I think as it settles stuff. Could just be this end, because this adhesive is really nice. I probably didn't even need to use a heat gun, but just because it's cold in the garage, it's not heated and currently dropping temperature right now, figured I'd just do it as an extra way to get this to stick. But yeah, I'm really excited, really happy. Again, I'll just show you. Doors open and close. They don't grab on it. Same for the rear. Let's see. Yep. And the biggest thing is, can get in. Oops. And now I can have the windows cracked. And rain won't get in. And also let all the fog and windows clear up whenever it's really crappy out. So yeah, I'm excited. They look good. Let me know what you all think. I will definitely be posting this down in the description if you want to pick some up. I got these for $100. All you need is adhesive, or excuse me, a heat gun, alcohol rub, and just to wipe down your car and put it on there. And yeah, I'm hoping to come out with some more videos soon on the car. I've got a review of my Raceland coilovers coming up soon, and then with it being springtime here in a little bit, I'm just gonna be doing a full detail on the car, getting it back up to specs. So hopefully my content is getting a little bit better. But yeah, here is the outro. Almost looks like it comes like this from the factory. Start at the end. All right, guys. I will see you down in the comments. Let me know what you all think.